Hang on. New camera. I gotta mess with it. I've got Jane. I got Joshua. We're going to, I don't know what we're going to do. Except take scenic shots. Scenic shots? Scenic shots. There he goes.
You're significantly better at climbing trees than the 3-year-old was.
That
was the last time you were at
Christmas, I think.
Yeah, she was in the play, but I don't think she met.
All right, he's gonna go show the view. It's going. So you don't hit any buttons or anything, it's going.
Okay, so this is looking better in person than it is on the camera.
I found a knife. I got a knife now, and Janine won't let me.
You know what? I also have a knife.
Well, I got my other knife too, but I think it's funny. I found a piece of bark that looks exactly like a knife.
Yeah, that's
So we got a knife on our hunt, boys. I don't know what we're hunting. Because it's all mud. Good luck putting my socks back on. The reason I swapped my good shoes for my bad shoes. Oh, it's icky. Yeah, it's pretty gross.
Oh no, oh no.
Oh, it's kind of refreshing though.